issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cumberland County in central North Carolina, Southern Hope County in central North Carolina, until 2 p.m. This storm has a history of producing strong wind gusts over LTV, Mills, Spring Lake, Eastover, Stedman, and Wade. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Straight line winds, pressure over, expect damage to roofs, cross and buildings. Seek shelter in a storm until the storm has front will move. Antioch, Hope Air Force high pressure, damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Cumberland, and Hope. 70 and a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. The National Weather Service enrolled severe thunderstorm warning for Sampson County in central North Carolina, southeastern Harnett County in central North Carolina, central Cumberland County in central North Carolina, southwestern Johnston County in central North Carolina, until 2:30 p.m. Fayetteville Regional was reported with a Stedman and Newton Grove. For your port service, this is NOAA weather. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines. Reading on frequency 106. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure.
Inland and out.
Irwin, Eastover, Roseboro, Stedman, and Newton Grove.
Sorry.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Cumberland, Harnett, Johnston, and Sampson. Gusty. Away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Radar temperature up. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind 55. Sighting, entries. Locations impacted include Smithfield, Godwin, Irwin, Eastover, 9.2. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and 62. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside. Seek shelter and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following county, Johnston, North Carolina. A severe thunderstorm warning for Wayne County, central Sampson County, southeastern Johnston County, until 3:15 p.m. Size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, video, miles east image to roof. Sighting, entries, miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Mount Olive, Fremont. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs. Sighting, entries. Locations impacted include Goldsboro, Virginia, and a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows. Up the springs. Straight line winds can blow down trees. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Johnston, Sampson, and Wayne. Western Franklin County until 3:15 p.m. Location at 2:35 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was looking 50 miles west of Creedmoor, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Monday night, 60 miles. Source, radar indicators. Impact, expect sighting. Impacted. Roll. Source, Falls Lake State Rec. Rampant. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Durham, Franklin, Granville, and Wake. Wayne County, Wilson County, northeastern Johnston Johnston County until 3:30 p.m. 60 miles per hour wind. Shelter inside a partly radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted in Sharpsburg, Kenlet, Stantonsburg, and Black Creek. An interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. Move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from 5 miles. Severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Johnston, Wayne, and Wilson. Northeast Peak entry. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern New Hanover County in southeastern North Carolina, Pender County in southeastern North Carolina, southeastern Bladen County in southeastern North Carolina, Brunswick County in southeastern North Carolina, central Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina, east central Horry County in northeastern South Carolina, until 3:45 p.m. Charlotte, Sunset Beach, Holden Beach, Ocean Isle Beach, Ocean Crest Pier, North Myrtle Beach Airport, Cherry Grove Inlet, Little River, Iredell, Rowan, Boiling Spring Lakes, St. James, Carolina Shores, Calabash, and Bethel. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. And now taking a look until 4:15 p.m. At 3:18 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Elm City to 7 miles east of Wilson to 8 miles west of Fermville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and vehicle-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rocky Mount, Selma, Gotham Neck, Elm City, Princeville, Sharpsburg, Pine Tops, McLeod, Inbuilt, Hoggood, and Canida. Straight line wind, known trees, power lines, and damaged mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Edgecombe, Halifax, and Wilson. Halifax County until 4 p.m. At 3:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Halifax, moving north at 10. A sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following county: Halifax, North Carolina.